Ooh, just in time for sunset on the Pacific.
We have 2 years from the opening, the first opening.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, the way to the room. Only put in the. Okay. You need this keys only your door. Okay. All right.
So even though we're on the 13th, it's actually the 3rd floor.
Thank you, sir. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the things of the room how to use.
Right, take off my mask.
Yeah, don't worry. You are in your room. You're in your room.
So the lights go on from over here.
Guys, come on, look at you here.
Yeah.
Really pretty. The look in the morning is so beautiful.
It really is. Very beautiful.
Going to the beach club. You can go in the golf cart, or if you wanna go walking in the morning. Road. Okay, the curtains is here. All this, the brown of this hotel is you can take a shower.
Oh, how beautiful! Look at the shower.
Here.
That's gorgeous.
Inclusive, if you want to take a shower and then you gotta go in the morning and the students on the morning, you can go out and do the rest.
It's a toilet. Looks a little bit different from the Westin.
Everything costs money.
Yeah, everything is no.
Tell you one thing, Sheila.
This is one of those lights where you tap it, and every time you touch it, it gets brighter. What a great shower. Another gigantic space. I really like it that these places are not using plastic bottles. You would not know that these are the ultra rooms, just looking at the back. Take a look and let's see what this is. See, this one has the ocean. Those are the mangroves down there. This would be great for bird watching. Exactly. So basically, it's exactly the same, except you had the view. Unfortunately, would have liked one of the suites with a private plunge pool. Would have been good too. Our room is much bigger than that treehouse room. Probably. I don't think it's worth an extra $300 a night just for the view. All the suites are occupied, so I could not video them. I've got some silly me trivia. When we first arrived at the W, I could not figure out how to turn on a tap. I thought, all right, it's one of those sensors, right? Wave my hand underneath it. Absolutely nothing happens. I see this handle over here. Turn it. Nothing happens. Finally, I think of pulling it up. And there we go. We have water. Another silly me. You know how you look for the concierge button, front desk, whatever. Well, at W, they've got a whatever button, whatever or whenever, for any question, any problem, whatever. I had never experienced a sensor light before. I would have had no clue that what you do is touch it. 3 touches and you've got lots of reading light.